We're back working on the public crawler park. Time for an update. Hey, Gord here, Canadian RC guy. Well, if you can see behind me, we started cutting some grass. We're starting to get the plot ready to put in that public RC crawler course. I'll flip this camera around, show you where we got. We kind of got to that gully over there now, so we can show you what we were talking about in the first video and kind of what our plan is for the future of this thing. So you'll be able to come right in our path here, and right off to the left-hand side is where our crawler park is going to be. And once again, over here is where our dirt oval is. But we're just getting all this grass cleared out. You can see we got a little bit more here, and a little bit more on the other side. I'm not sure if we're going to clear it all the way to the edge, or maybe we'll just leave a little bit of grass growing there to kind of separate this from everything else. But as we started clearing, you can see we got this first nice hill here that's already piled up. Rocks are already built into it. So we've kind of almost made it to the other end here. And then hopefully you can see around in there we got a tree. So we're going to kind of get it into around there and cut up and around to the tree. Over here you'll be able to see we've got cut down to the gully where all those cattails and stuff are. So I'm sure that there's some wet area down in there to have a lot of fun in. I don't think we're going to get any of this cut this year. We're probably going to stay up here on this side, because once we get to the other side of that tree there, and I'll spin you around here, we're going to get all the way down over to the other side of that tree there. And that should give us a great amount of area to start with for building our course. We don't want to take up too much time building and cutting grass. We want to get out here, get things in the ground and get everyone crawling before the winter season comes. So that's why we're going to leave this for next year. But it will be great when we get to it. We'll be able to go through this gully and kind of see what's on the other side right here. It should be a blast. So we're going to get the weed whacker out here with the blade for a little bit, get some more of this hacked down. We'll bring you back in a little bit and show you where we've got to. All right, we're back. We got a whole bunch more of this brush cut, as you can see behind us. Got a little bit more done over here on this side. And we pretty much got it all worked out right along here. We are going to keep this edge along here. Get a little nice opening here. We'll be able to put up a sign, that kind of stuff to talk about the park. But I think for as of right now, this is pretty much where we're going to leave it. Obviously lots of cleanup and that kind of stuff to do. But I know there's lots more area over there. And of course, like we talked about, lots more over there. But because we're so late in the season already getting started on this course, we don't want to spend all our time just working, not being able to get anything put in the ground, any of the rocks placed, that kind of stuff. We want people to be able to get out and enjoy it for a little bit this year. And of course ourselves, we want to get out and enjoy it. So I think that's probably where we're going to leave it for this year for cutting all the big brush down. I'm going to flip the camera around here, show you a couple other little things here that we were doing. So over here on this side, we still have just a little bit of cutting to do, just to get to the other side of this hill here. Not too much, just a couple feet in. We just want to get around this tree and back around this hill here so we can kind of walk around this tree with our crawlers and use it as part of the course. We do have a ton of these big vines. Hopefully you can see them here. There are these big berry vines that are kind of getting in our way. So we'll start it over here with some of the raking and getting the vines out of the way. You can see we're down to some good dirt here and grass. Well, obviously we have to do another good grass cutting once we get all these stupid vines out of the way here, because we don't want to be cutting them with a big mower or anything like that. They'll just be twisting it up. And then over here, once again, we got just a tiny little bit of cutting to do. So we can get around this tree here. We can use it as part of the course for this year as well. And then eventually make her down into this beautiful gully. I can't wait to see what's down there. So that's going to be it for this little quick update on our crawler course. I can't wait to get everyone out here soon, crawling with us, using their trucks. It's going to be a blast. And if this is your first time to the channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button, ring that bell. That way you're going to get all the videos coming up for this, all the racing videos we do, and everything else that we have on the channel. So thanks so much. We'll see you again next time.